Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine. तो मेरे क्लास 3 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, what we are going to read today? Today we are going to read for Science Olympiad. Okay, and in our last class, what we have done? In our last class, we have already discussed some questions of chapter plant, and in today's class, we are going to discuss some more questions of the chapter plant. Okay, if you have not still watched that video, then you can go to the playlist and can check it. Okay, so shall we start it? Let's start. Our first question is, the arrows in the diagram show the path taken by the dash. See here, there is a plant, there is a leaf, okay, and there are some arrow marks in yellow color. Arrow marks are there. Okay, so what is the direction of arrow mark? It is from leaves towards the stem. Okay, and after that it is going to the stem. So can you guess what may be the thing, what may be the substance which is supplied from leaf to stems or other part of the plants? Can you say it? What is the function of leaf? Function of green leaves is to produce food, that is photosynthesis. Okay, and once it prepare it food, it then it transports that food to different parts of the plant. Got it? So what is the correct option? The correct option is food. That is option A. Okay. Chalo, let's move to the next question. The diagram given below shows a healthy green plant. Which of the following represents correctly P and Q? Now you can see P is something that this plant is intaking. Okay, that is towards something means it is intaking, and Q, that is something which is going away from plant. That means it gives away. Okay, so in presence of sunlight, the green plant, what does it do? What does it intake and what does it live? Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is, we all know that in presence of sunlight, green plants, they take in carbon dioxide gas. Okay, and the leaves or they breathe, give out oxygen gas. So P is carbon dioxide and Q is oxygen. Okay, so which is the correct option? That is option C. P is carbon dioxide and Q is oxygen. Okay, got it? Next, under suitable condition, which part of the cross section of papaya will grow into a new plant? So here there is a cut or cross section of papaya, and we are labeled different parts like P, Q and R. So the question is, under suitable condition, which part will grow into a new plant? As you can see the different parts of that papaya, and we can clearly say that seeds are going to produce a new plant. Okay, and the seeds are named as R. So which is the correct option? The correct option is R, that is present in option C. Got it? Okay. Next, which of the following is the reproductive part of a plant? So there are various pictures. Okay, and in this picture there are flowers, a stem cutting, root, leaf, everything is there. But in general, the reproductive part of the plant is flower. Okay, in general, reproductive part of the plant is flower. But it is also true that from stem cutting and from, in some cases, from leaves, and there are other parts also, that from that also we can produce a new plant. But we don't, that is known as vegetative propagation. Okay, but we don't call it as the reproductive part. Reproductive part is always flower. Got it? So if you know the answers, then you can send me in the comment box. Okay, next, what can you observe about the plant? Okay, the stem is weak. There is a covering of bark on the stem. It climbs on support to obtain sunlight. So here you can see there is a climber. Okay, it is needing support of a stick-like structure. Okay, that means the stems are weak, of course. So option 1 is correct. There is a covering of bark on the stem. No, it is not there. It climbs on support to obtain sunlight. Yes, we can see that it needs a support. So which is the correct option? That is option 1 and 3. And where it is present? Got it? It is present in option B. That is 1 and 3 only. Clear, students? Next. Different trees have different shapes. Their branches and leaves are arranged so that we know that there are different trees and their shapes are different and their branches, leaves, flower, everything is arranged differently. So the question is why they do so. Option A, get as much sunlight as possible. B, absorb the most oxygen during the day. Are able to get rid of the most carbon dioxide, are able to get rid of the most water. So here the correct option is that in whatever position a plant is present, it can get oxygen, it can get rid of its carbon dioxide, and it can get water, and it also can get rid of water. Okay, but the only thing that needs that a tree need a proper shape, that is for the only due to sunlight. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A, that is sunlight. Okay, आ रहा है सबको समझ में? Okay, let's move to the next question. What does sweet potato and carrot have in common? Okay, so they are both food storage organ. Yes, both sweet potato and carrot are food storage organ. Then underground stem. Underground stem, are they underground stem? No. Used to reproduce plants? Yes, they are used to reproduce plant. So which is the correct option? Correct option is only 1 and 3, that is present in option B. Okay, next. Such openings shown in the diagram are mostly found. First of all, do you know what is the opening known as? These are the opening, they are known as stomata. Okay, and through the stomata gaseous exchange occurs, that the carbon dioxide oxygen exchange occurs. Water vapor also plant get rid of water vapor through that stomata, and this stomata are present on the leaf. But on which side of the leaf? That is below the leaf, that is the underside of the leaf. Okay, so the correct option is option A, that is underside of the leaf. Okay, next. What do the objects given here have common? So here are some objects. The question is what is common between them, among them. Okay. First option is they can be found on a seedling. They can be found on a seedling. No, it is not. They are fruits. Yes, these all are fruits. Okay. So you might have been confused with them that brinjal and tomato are vegetables. No, they are also fruit. Okay. The next option is they come from flowering plants. Yes, it is true. They have seeds. It is also true. So which is the correct option? That is containing option 2, 3 and 4. That is option C. Okay. Option C is the correct option. Okay. Our next question is the diagram shows the stages of development of a balsam plant. So in the first picture, what is this? This is the splitting. Okay, it is showing the splitting. And in second picture, it is showing fruit. And in third, that is dispersion of seed through wind. You can see that these parts are what? They are blowing with wind. Next, here flower is present. So which of the following shows the stages in correct order? First thing, that is splitting of the seed. Second, that is dispersion of the seed. Okay, and after that what happened? Flower is formed and then finally fruit is formed. So the correct option is 1, 3, 4 and 2. That is present in option B. Okay, next. X supports the plant. It helps to transport water and minerals to the plant. Which part of the plant matches the above description? Here X supports the plant. We know that stem are the part that supports the plant, and also stem helps to transport water and minerals to the plant. So which is the correct option? The correct option should be option B, that is stem. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is incorrect? There are two pictures, that is the first one is plant P and the second one is plant Q, and you can see that plant P is a coconut tree and plant Q is a mango tree. So we have to find the correct option. Plant P, it has trunk, plant Q, it has trunk. Yes, both have trunks. Plant P, it has leaves and fruit, plant Q, it has leaves and fruits. Yes, this is also true. Third, it has flowers, it has flowers. Yes, it is also true. It has branches, it has branches. Okay, we know that mango tree have branches, okay, and but as we can see that coconut tree do not have branches. So which of the following is incorrect? That is option D. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following factors are required for a seed to germinate? So here is a seed that for germination, what does it need? First one is water, second air, third nutrient, and fourth warmth. So it needs water. Yes, it is true. It needs air. Yes. And it needs warmth. It is also true. So what is the correct option? That is option 1, 2 and 4, which is present in option C. Okay. Let's move to the next question. A leaf is making food. What do the arrows P, Q, R, S represent? So first thing you can say P is something that is going to leaf and Q is something that is coming out of the leaf to the stem. Okay, P is something that is going from stem to leaf. From stem to leaf, what can go? That is water. And from leaf to stem, what can be it? It can be food because leaf prepares food, and that is R something that is going out from leaf. Okay, from leaf, what is that? That is living. We know that oxygen is the gas that is liberated from plant during photosynthesis. Okay, and we can tell that now photosynthesis is going on as sunlight is present. Okay, and during photosynthesis what gas leave or plant intake? That is carbon dioxide. So PQRS is water, food, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Water, food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and it is present in option B. Got it? Next question. The arrows in the given plant shows the part taken by some substances. Okay. So what is the correct option? Here you can see that something is going into the root and it is going to the upper side of the plant. So through roots, what usually plant intake, that is water. We know that function of water, it collects water and mineral and it supplied to the whole plant. And there is no change of direction. The water and mineral that it is going to the leaves and everywhere else. So water, yes, it is the answer. Mineral salt, yes, of course, it is also correct. Oxygen, no. Oxygen is taken in from the air. Okay, not from inside the soil, and not the sugar also. Okay, so which is the correct option? That is water and mineral salt, that is present in option A. Got it? So this much for today's video. Let's meet you in my next video with some much more amazing question. तब तक के लिए mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. Okay, bye.